Ferrari's SUV being in the news, found camouflaged and screaming down a road, it's finally out of the shadows, and if we're to be honest, it's not disappointing. It's the Italian marque's first ever, four-door, four-seater model in the 75 years of the company's existence. With the Purosangue, Ferrari has made the boldest move ever, and we're not too sure if its founding father, Enzo Ferrari, would have wanted this to happen, but he'd be darn proud of the fact it has a V12 under the hood. The engine has to be the first reason gearheads by the Purosangue. A 6.5-litre, 12-cylinder engine, shaped in a V, that too in an SUV in today's day and age almost sounds unrealistic, but they've done it. No turbochargers and no hybrid technology. This is a naturally aspirated engine with supercar-beating performance. The unit produces 715 horsepower and 528 pound-foot of torque, sending its power to all four wheels through an 8-speed F1 DCT gearbox. The throttle response, Ferrari claims, is to be exactly that of a sports car. Thanks for watching.